The topic we are going to discuss today is about generation of computers. We all know many computing devices like Pascal's calculator, abacus, Napier's bones, analytical engines were invented for the people to solve different types of problems. Depending upon the technologies used, computers are classified into 5. They are first generation computers, second generation computers, third generation computers, fourth generation computers and fifth generation computers. Now we are going to learn about first generation computers. The first generation was from 1940 to 1956. The persons behind first generation computers are Eckert and Maudsley. These computers use vacuum tubes technology for circuitry and magnetic drum for storage. A vacuum tube is made up of glass and contains filaments inside it. When the filaments are heated, vacuum tubes generate electrons, which helps to increase and decrease the electronic signals.
To understand how electronic tubes work, let's take a good look at one of them, one that's representative of its species. This is a diode, a typical two-element electronic tube. Let's get inside it. In fundamental operation, it resembles an ordinary single-pole switch, a switch that can connect, for instance, this battery and its motor load. One power lead comes to the anode, the other lead goes to the cathode. When this switch is open, the contacts are insulated from each other by a vacuum or by some inert gas inserted into an evacuated tube under low pressure. To close this switch electronically, all we need do is heat the cathode and give the anode a positive potential. Then here's what happens. As electrons are emitted from the surface of the heated cathode, being negatively charged, they fly at tremendous speed to the anode. In this way, a current-carrying path is formed, which closes our electronic switch and permits our motor.
A few examples for first-generation computers are IBM 701, IBM 650, ENIAC, EDVAC, and UNIVAC. Now we are going to see the characteristics of first-generation computers. Since vacuum tubes are used for the entire circuitry, the system will be very large in size. Also, first-generation computers will produce large amount of heat. So, we have to place the system in air-conditioned room. Otherwise, the system will not work. First-generation computers use binary coded language or machine language. A language that can understand only by the machine is called machine language. That is, we will be using only zeros and ones to give instruction. So, it's not very easy to write programs using machine language. Due to their huge size, it's not portable. First generation computers are single tasking. The input medium for first generation computer is punched card and the output medium is printout. I hope you have learned the first generation of computers. There were 4 more generations which can be discussed in the subsequent modules. Thank you.